Hello, and welcome back to the channel. My name is Viggy, and I make live videos, mostly of Yiddish. If you to the hunting video, please consider liking, sharing, and subscribing. And if you can't be a channel member, hit the join button. Sie geht ein langer, riesiger Weg. Und auch absolutely, 100%ly. Das ist nicht financial advice. So please be very careful. The market hat wegnehmen alles, was die hast. Schrecklich, wie sie die heißt. So please be very careful. Kijk eens wie ein Kind oder ein Adult, der spielt Lego. Und weiß nicht, was tut. So. You know what I mean? Alrighty. Let's jump right into it. Today, Monday, September 8th. We made it all the way to 8. Let's get into it. Yankee team. Good morning, good morning. How you doing? Wie sie gewähnt dann? Sintig. Ja, ich habe gehört wegen jetzt Roll. Not cool. Not cool at all. Not cool at all. Ja, sie ist terrible news. Maar de gebruiken we samen als perpetrated zijn en gaan. Six dead. Ay. Not good. Not good. Nicht good whatsoever. CG. Good morning, CG. How you doing? How was your morning so far? Okay, het als it's a rule gegeben. The final warning, the last warning to Hamas. Wer weiß, was geht dort sein. What a mess. Viggy the Viber. Good, CG. I'll accept that. Shiva Bucha was the first to act against. Nice. Terrible though. It's terrible. All right. Gold is, by the way, all-time high 3,600. 580. I guess Litvax has some worth. So gehen wir bis einer das geteilt macht, bis man realized. Irgendwie suchst du es raus, wie man der Wert, huh? Spy 648. The Dow Jones 45,399. 500 berg weg fin. Berg 400 weg fin the all-time high. Bitcoin 112. Wil zich terug auflegen auf the shelf. But it's crazy. But again, in a country, ich will nicht wegnehmen, but in a country von so viel Menschen, 7, 8 Millionen Menschen, guides on tragedies, do that. It's just a numbers game. Keiner redet aber nicht in Amerika gewesen, der Gevermann auf a Boss, was so gestochen a Ukrainischer in der Hals. Wie wo es wenn, nicht du kein Outrage, whatsoever. Crazy. Trump had announced negotiations with Hamas, suggesting that some demands might be acceptable, and hinted for a potential Gaza deal soon. Israel killed dozens. Interessant, wie sie es arbeiten. We wonder what will happen. Die ganze Gaza-Sache. Like the Welt, wenn ich the Welt meine ich online, is hitting against Israel a Sach. So I wonder what will come of it. Yankee hat gemacht a Jumem Neruem Playlist. Hoffst es an geht nicht werden pisst. Bidi 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 bidi. Are we getting closer? Are we getting closer? Beady, 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 beady. Bidi bidi bam, bidi bidi bim, bidi bidi bam bam bim, boom. Mataros für der Walk in the Free. Ich habe gesehen, dass sie geworden ein bisschen chilly. Winter is upon us. Winter is coming in. Yankee had the list. Heren dus me mis. Mit sehen, wie so stark Yankee arbeitet. Sehen, wo es redt ist an Herz. Alright, lass mal doen even de Yankee mix. Jetzt darf man sich greiten, der Hart soll spreiten. Ochila lake, achale panav, לשון אוכיל על הקן אכל פניי אשאלה ממנו מענה לא בבשון אשר בי קלה השיר האוזר אביע רננות בעד מפעליו אשר בי קלה השיר האוזר אביע רננות. A lot of songs there are double or triple, we'll see. בעד מפעליו לאדם מרחב ומאשר וימענה לשון השם שפתי תפתח ופי יגיד תהילתך. So I wonder was geht zusammen mit der ganze Gaza-Sach. Hopefully they finish it soon. Hopefully this is done. Because a lot of innocent people are dying from both sides. Nicht jeder ist schuldig. Da wat schon von der Rhetoric von als jeder ist. Alle von sein. Und ich kann get Weg von reden, I would say. Wat is genitzt against the Jiden? Alle Jiden. Jeder. Yankee, die greizt dich, Yankee. Die macht das auch Introspection. Ich hoffe, die Lions Books. Gaining knowledge, wegen Chassanov. In wohnen mit der andere Mensch. En ook het andere sex. Different ways to communicate. So I hope you brushing up. Oh, Yankee, you better start. You better start, man. Für deine eigene Gits. Weil die willst Information. In Walma Bakim, by the way, information. Meint nicht als man hat es. So you better start reading, my man. Siehst du, habe ich in der book a few months ago. Sie heißt Men Are From Mars, Women Are From Venus. Und ich gelein die ganze Book, weil ich habe lieb gehabt der Points, was hat gemacht in between. Brooklyn, good morning. How you doing? Hello and welcome. How is your morning treating you so far? So haben wir sich schon getroffen nächten, so man kann nicht fragen, wie sie gewähnt der Weekend, wie sie gewähnt Shabbos. But how are you? This is Yankee tease. Yumam Naruam lit music list. So it's follow on with us.
בצדקו עמוסכו המוי על מעשכו וסיסמה במעשכו ויאמרו לכו כויסכו בצדקו עמוסכו תוקדש
The September 2nd in Afghanistan earthquake had geclaimed 2,205 chevra lives, which is sad. Over 2,500 injured. The UN had pledged, the UK had pledged 1.3 million in aid. We schickt Billionen in war. Es kommt ein Platz, dass ich der Erde sitzen ist. Hat man bei 50 Cent. I'm afraid I can't know which information is correct. Anyone. Yankee, wenn man allein der Buch meint nicht, als jetzt ist Jens Teudische Bexel. Es ist ideas. You get in ideas in your head. And then you sort out which one you like and which one you think or which one you can reflect on. I'd rather trust a Husten teacher, of course, someone with experience and not some dude calling himself. Ich rede nicht dafür Husten teacher, Yankee. Ich rede overall. Es sind Menschen, die geschrieben Books und sie bringen darauf gute concepts. So I'm suggesting that you just don't I'm lining of you just to get ideas. Huele Kodosh. Okay. Yankee, ich mache kein Geld als die kaufst der Books, ja? If you get what I'm saying. I'm just looking out for you. In auch Yankee a book, kennst du Leinen, in Überleinen in 2 Wochen darin, pages, to understand it, it's a Blatt mit dir. A Husten teacher lernt dich das aus, but das auch counten as all information is going to go into your head, it's going to register, you know. It's not a, I'd rather listen and read. You can listen to the book. Nee, you can't listen and so alles du auf YouTube. Oder auf wherever audiobooks is sold. Oh.
Jetzt geht men so gut. Alta Samu koim bi yeshiva. Mot ich mamler gewein als meile. Aber jetzt will ich reden zu dir wie a Kind zum Taten persönlich. Ich will beten nur wie nicht was mein Bechos meini beseifer achayim. Rachmunu de yunai leani ayanai
No problem, Yankee. Bitcoin 112, tries to pushen. Sinishka movie, Yankee. Sinishka movie. But we're not gonna argue with. I'm not gonna argue. You know, I'm not gonna. Go, go, go. OCTO, ja, gesehen, Ross hat geschrieben, als gaat da gitten Tag. I saw Ross said it. Dann muss ich geben mal check aus. For go-go. OCTO. It's gonna be showing guy next. Oh, wow, whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa, talk about guy for $4-5. What the flippin' flapple, Michael? Good for you, go-go. Good for you. It's a mixture, I guess, the Brooklyn fin style in the beginning. Wow, nice. Half go-go these days gerissen. Wie viele gewinnt an total von Gappen? Kijk on, shine. Wow. Gebrochen, keinem und Schirikaru gekommen, Hammer und Samer. Alles geht's. Get a fantastical morning for you as well. Wishing you an amazing week. Thank you. So far up 2,600. Nice. Clownish has a small trader, but it say small. So risk, reward. $2,600 came to piece. What are you saying? Shine. Good for you. Free floating shares 2.4 million. Nicht gefährlich. Nicht gefährlich. I go short and nice go-go. But nice, good for you. Shine a win, go-go. I'll give you that. No, Brooklyn, what are you saying? Never. Do not do that. No, I'm not chasing. I don't trade anymore this. I'm not chasing. I'm not chasing anymore. We'll leave it go.
is Erev Rosh Hashuna, me spier dem Heiligkeit. Der Minches Eluser sitzt in Zimmer vertracht. San Machzer, san Schäufer, auf dem Tisch schön greit. Der letzte Rosh Hashuna auf die Welt verbracht. San klein Einikel Herrschele, Arans im
Mati Ilevich? Yeah.
Sein Blick fällt zum Schäufer auf den Tisch. Seide, ich will das hören.
Colorful shorts. Hello and welcome. Long time.
Hand blust me nicht. Schäufele nein, geht sie verstein. Like dem Schäuferl Aro. Me blust Tacke a ganzen Chodesh, aber Hand me stellt sich um.
Colorful shorts, you're starting to cry. What's going on? Emotional? The nigging is emotional? Put too much sugar in my coffee. It's too much süß Jud. Weißt du wegen der Jud, was Coffee hat sicher sein süß. It's coming bad or good days. Okay, this is a 50-50 always. Hopefully good days are coming, colorful shorts. Und darf man sehen, was geschehen mit, wie heißt der, mit Gaza dort. Something has to get, like, gotta get it done there. Es darf sich aufhören.
Ich weiß, sie ist nicht die Zeit für Schäufe, ich hab es bei ihm nicht gemeint, aber ich wusste nicht an Tate, wenn es ein Kind weint. Ich frage dich, ich weiß die Versuchung, es ist noch nicht die Zeit, deine Kinder weinen, wieso ich es die Steine in der Zeit. The Kabe schoi vor gut oil, die Welt soll schon wieder wahrschein, weil wo steht nicht an Tate, wer sagt ihr Kijk wie hoch me weint bei dir, sich wegdrehen, die tust nicht. Taten du, dann tiefer mach nicht. Jeden einzig Tag, wo's mit den Schäufer die bloß nicht. Der Suden wird ruhig, mir werden zermischt. dichtere Fies, me schreit Ries, ze hakt auf pitzlich zerschnitten.
Sind wir schon bereit für Jungen in the room, du? We're listening to music, though. We're listening to those type of music.
Der pluckt sich mit Kinder, der beit finderle, soi waveloile Rosen. Wie viel Schwuren in Tries ist der Schied, sie blusen.
Nice. Alles gut. Ich habe getried, alles gut. So gefigured, I got a few minutes, I was like, you know what? Let me go around checken that. Penny G. Hello and welcome, Penny. How are you, Penny? What's going on? How are you? How was your morning? Das ist die einzigste Sache, alles geht, was geht dort oben. That's it. Nothing more and nothing less. Maybe nicht so geht, wie meint, but if that's what he wants, that's what he's gonna get. She just said alles geht ab. Das ist was Umane geworden.
Eloikai selichois selachluni mechaluni kaperluni ve'al kilam Eloikai selichois.
Koiden Pin is aber nicht wie zu gehen. So it's nicht so wie sie have where to go. So aber nicht wie zu gehen. So sie gehen dort. Ist auch fun. That's Penny. Let's be real. Einer versucht dass fuhr dort hin für Steak and Van, fuhr doch hin für fun.
Ich will mich allein moichel sein. Koidem fahr ich bete.
Liebe schmelzt.
Will ich mich allein überbeten.
Ich denke nicht den Ding.
Mich allein moichel sein. Gott, sein Herz ich will.
Penny, du hast auch Menschen, was fuhren hin dort für fun. But that's the only thing they really get. It's fun. Because also kann er zurückkommen dich suchen, als gewähne Nummer. You know? Yeah. Speed is traveling the whole entire US. Nice. Don't we like speed? Sind wir nicht friends mit Speed? Ich verstehe nicht, was man watcht bei Speed, to be honest. I might be old, I might be not understanding it. But I really don't get it. He's live all day and all night. Don't know. It's just entertaining. Again, nicht von mir. Ich habe kein gefühlt, dass so sein entertaining von mir. Like, I never watched it more than 20 seconds. It is pennies, colorful shorts. It is, als gut gegessen. It's pennies. Weil alle views geht zu der, ob ich hier Music, geht zu der original owner von der Music. Verstehst? So it's nicht a guy out of the box. Could be. I don't connect with him. Nicht, dass etwas wrong mit him. Just not something I connect with. Colorful shorts, I don't know the answer to it. Meaning, ich bekomme auch super chats with memberships, so I don't know. Von den Videos kann man gar nicht, maybe $15. Auch nicht, I would say. Möglich, Yankee. I hear you. Alles geht. Being stupid doesn't make you confident. It just makes you stupid. But I'm sure there is certain smarts who said hot. Sie grabbing the opportunity, you know? Asach songs from Lipa is like I'm not connecting. Like sometimes he has 150,000 watchers, but that's gut nicht. I mean, in the YouTube world, they do millions and millions and millions of people. So it's nicht technically a wow. This is a wow for aim, but I'm saying number-wise, do millions. Millions of people. Yankees can also have different mention, meaning different style people, have different ideas. Different wegen von spekulatieren der Sachen. Speed, wir reden von Speed. It says a lot about him, or it says a lot about wie der Oilam halt hantige Tag? Ki atu babu biyoy tzerom oy 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 veyatu oy da ya yitzero ki el babu sarvadam. But 150,000 people compared to the online world. And it's just a Menschen, Yankees. So it's not all Menschen, you know. It's still a lot. Nehm ich ja weg. I sag mal, kommt darauf auf my YouTube feed. Ich try to watchen, but I don't connect. I don't understand, was man watcht. So wie, weiß ich nicht, du gehst for a while, do it. So lange es geht von do it. Vadam. Says a lot altogether. There's. Die meist das easy? Die hast für alles geht. You think it's easy? It's no knowledge, discussion, or motivation. Exactly, but it's yeah, youngsters. Speed, CG, instead of in speed. A device nicht besser, glaub mir. So nicht du, was du wissen. Why compare the online world to the online world? Oh, it's huge. I'm not. Neem mich weg. What an accomplishment. So wie Kai, de andere Kai. Ook tremendous. Easier than a 9-to-5 gig? Alles geht's. Bleib mir da nicht. Trust me that it's not. Yemes ki atu babu v'yoytzerom oyo v'yavto ki el basar vadam. A 9-to-5 is nicht schlecht. Nicht jeder 9-to-5 is terrible. Nicht jeder einer. A lot of people enjoy their 9-to-5. No, it's not a news channel. It's the young guys acting youngish. I don't know. I don't even know. La, 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 la. Oh, wow. Kennis is upload no city, ja? $18. Who's the winner of the raffle? Guys, machen die Woche. I'm gonna do it one of these days. The next few days, I'm gonna make it. CG, we'll keep you in mind. We'll let everybody know. Maar behalve nicht gar nicht. בא ממקום שהוא בא והלך למקום שהלך פשט בגדי החול לבש בגדי לבן וכך היה אומר אנא השם כפר לחטאים לעוונות ולפשעים שחטאתי לפניך אני וביתי ואם אדם היה יכול לזכור את הפגמים, את החסרונות, את כל הפשעים, את כל העוונות בטח כך היה מונה אחת, אחת ואחת, אחת ושתיים, אחת ושלוש Nicht jeder alles geht, nicht jeder 9-to-5 ist also terrible Nicht, es auch doch mit der Verse how you take it את המרירות אחת, את הבושה את הפספוס, את ההפסד והכהנים והעם העומדים בעזרה כשהיו שומעים את שם השם המפורש יוצא מפי כהן גדול היו קוראים משתחווים ונופלים על פניהם I'm not hanging out anymore, I'm just a lonely here. I feel you, Go-Go. Ich meine, jetzt haben wir das reviewt nächten. Für de Schass. Halted by $22?
מעשיו, בא ממקום שהוא בא והלך למקום שהלך, פשט בגדי לבן, לבש בגדי זהב, וכך היה אומר אנא השם, כפר לחטאים, לעוונות ולפשעים שחטאתי לפניך אני וביתי. ואם אדם היה יכול לזכור את החסדים, את הטובות, את כל הרחמים, את כל הישועות, בטח כך היה מונה אחת, אחת ואחת, אחת ושתיים, אחת מאלף, אלפי אלפים ורוב ריבי רבבות, ניסים נפלאות שעשית עמנו, ימים ולילות וכהנים
Wow.
והעם העומדים בעזרה.
Not bad. It's 1400 points up. Talk about a bus ride home, huh? 642 is gewesen, like at 280. Wow. לא מזה wie sie geht sich helfen an. Stell uns einfach auf $32, eh? Announces $250 million private placement with an additional $20 million strategic investment. Bitmine. Okay. Gogo, I'm older than you. Wieso weiß man wieso weiß man the ages, du? YG. Hello and welcome, YG. YG, hello and welcome. How you doing, YG? It's somewhat go and somewhat Alamina edges, though. You'll be surprised. It's about Alamina edges. No, Yankee. So far, it's very good. So far, it's very good. Besides the Ein Lipa song, the Ich bin mir Meuchel, is alles so far sehr gut. Sehr gut. Stark Noah. Come on, check my gedaan. Check my gedaan. Was kommst daarop? Ein Tickel. Huh? This is my favorite song of the year. Ishama YG, how are you? YG, are you excited? You mucho excited. Ishama
וחילי רעודו יוי חייזן נוי ויוי מרוי יוי מדי ליפקוי דאו ציבו
אודוי בדי Enjoy, YG. So het geöffnet ist, so gekracht, ja? $17. Jam some other chat, please. Holiday bass. Play nice, people. Play nice. Gishoma. Sound trance. Van de eerste Semaros, hij zegt in music. Semaros trance music, Brooklyn. I totally get you, Gogo. This is shitty game, was man gegeben. Wo die uns gehabt. Which is understandable. Come on. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Yankee, it's okay, it's okay. Everybody has their way of expressing. Yankee, jeder hat sich seinen Weg. Some use words, some use emojis, some use attitude. Jeder hat sich seinen. Sei Hussein L'alter lechaim toivimi Leshuloin Leshunu toivu tikusayv Tikusayv Sei Hussein L'alter lechaim toivimi Leshuloin Yankee. Just let it be. Deep breath. Thanks to you. Bench to you, I get gebench to you, alle Jiden. I get gebench to you, I get gebench to you, I get gebench to you, alle Jiden. Tididai-lai-lai-la-la-la-la. Sommer alle Mina do, Penny, Brooklyn, Gogo. Alle ages, alle makes and models. Some fakes and some real models. But jeder hat sich seinen Weg expressed. YG, what's going on? Tell us, keep us in the loop. Sind wir apart in der Group? Gebencht Jud, gebencht Jud, gebencht Jud, alle Jiden. Gebencht Jud, gebencht Jud. Alle Jiden, But they like see a role, Penny, because it's on a role model. You get what I'm saying?
Die viele Lieder haben gemacht Simches, die viele Eltern haben gehabt lächtige Kinder.
So it's geöffnet, it's auf to 22 and it's breaking now. Es kommt darauf checken noch einmal, I guess, 16.
Die viele haben gemacht Parnusse, wie viel Chassanem in Kalles, sind gegangen mit Freuden hinter den Kippen. Was Chefe siehste, geben Zeit,
Viggy, it's Monday.
Tuchail Schunu wie Goiseu.
Ja, so gemacht das Sache Menschen Geld. Ich weiß nicht mehr, wie viel Ross hat gemacht dann. I guess mit Wissen in ein paar Minuten. Like 10 als eigen. Alle Jiden.
Wir wünschen sich alle
Jiden. Ta-da. Wow, 33,000. Yeah, but it goes down like thousands of shares, no? Oh, vai. Pink Tante that is gonna be slow, huh? Oh, it's up, it's 20. It jumped up from $15 to 20. Wow, $5. Ze viel wie ze wil gaan heggen. Ich kann financial advice, ich kann nicht keine Ahnung, was ich red. That's right, CG. YG. Not financial advice whatsoever. It's gonna nicht kein advice though. It's gonna geben für ideas. Thoughts and ideas. Thoughts and prayers. But Kol gez ababayrois. Penny, bist du ready für... Bist almost ready schon für Oma? Für Ukraine? Mit aller Pain? Was ist dort geschehen? Aber wir nehmen eine Pen und das so schreiben. Rachami. And Isaac, oh, ich meine Isaac Honig. Nice, YG. Hopefully, I'm gonna say, instead of saying. I think that for some people they should definitely be financial. Ja. Nein, auch nicht, ja. Bin in Steinmeier weg von any type of advice. Ich weiß gut nicht, you know. Advice, meinst du, dass ich weiß? So. Es ist noch einmal auf Hold. OC OCTO is of hold. Wenn es du war. Sachen kicken nur sehr volatile jetzt, to be honest. Sehr riecht sich. Ich bin mit $600 minus out, so. Hopefully, kann ich mal Trade 2. OTC is a crypto play, not to be invested, just a trade, only invest in Amazon, Apple, and the likes. The rest are all garbage. I don't remember what I traded previous day. I just played again. OCTO is nog altijd in lockdown. Nog altijd auf hold, auf dem Weg darauf. Nice, Go-Go. Thank you for sharing. Only traded an hour on OCTO. Nice. Good for you. Good for you. Enjoy the rest of your day. I hope you have a success. The success keeps going, brother. Go for an around check. I know what you mean, Go-Go. I know what you mean. My pleasure. Gebenchte Jür, gebenchte Jür, gebenchte Jür, alle Iden. Gebenchte Jür, gebenchte Jür, alle Iden. gebenchte Jür, gebenchte Jür, gebenchte Jür, alle Lieben.
Wünschen sagite Jür, geben so sie ist Jür. Wir wünschen sich alle Chawaire,
Halleluja. Viel wie ich will noch laufen. Wir gaan sich aber anhalten. Because we gotta stick to the plan. Yoy melech, yoy melech, tirarari. I just had to come back to say that OCT halted by 2086. Resumption is at $27. When it keeps giving, it keeps giving. Huh? Just mach A is het ararin en geld. Oy melech, oy melech. Crazy, but I will not trade this. Just watch out, guys. Please do not trade, and unless you can afford to lose it. Exactly. The market hat wegnehmen alles, wo die hast. Schickelig, wie sie die heißt. Da wegnehmen alles. Plus, whatever you can give it. So wie the Cookie Monster. Kann essen alle Cookies in der Welt. Nom. You know what I'm saying? Brooklyn, I don't know. And they can see again in time. Kauf Bitcoin in 2012. Ich bin noch, wie viel sie geht öffnen? Er sucht sie geht sich öffnen auf $27. C'est funny, als ich OCT, aber ich es gehad schon auf meinem Radar. December 27. 2 Uhr. It's just crazy. Yoy Mavadi
Lief koi dal
Zivodo in Badin
Ui
Kila is This is a hold on, let me fertig red. This is a 33-minute ganze mix, arangelegt in the mix. It's a mix betoch mix. Mix betoch mix. Was I lieb den Nigen, so. Der Harmonisen was kein Geschehen. By the way, I have the 1001, it's an unboxing. Aber kommen etwas in der Mail. Es ist kein humble. Etwas anderes bekommen. Und auf den 1030 hat man machen den Dach von Hand. Welcher Tag in der Dach ist Hand? Number 7? I guess number 7 it is. OCTO noch alt auf Break. Hold, meine zu sagen. The Motti sing it. Motti weiß wie Motti whistle. Wiesel, sorry. Sing shine. No Yekosai Yo in Tzonki Purya Yekosai Motti did a great interview on Living L'chaim. Hab es nicht gehört, aber ich habe gesehen der Thumbnail, ich habe gegeben einen Klick für eine Minute so. Ich habe gewollt nicht, welche Sprache er hat. Mit das Reviewen, Deva. We'll review it. וכל יום מו יסוי אחכה לוי אם יהיו שביה דקבר בלוי In a minute, I'm maintain the unboxing. Just wanna be in a trade if it goes my way. Emes ki atu babu biyoy tzela Yoy yoy beyato Yoy yeda ya yitzela Oy ki ay Oy buy Sara babu da Oy emes ki atu biyoy tzela Oy yoy 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 Yes, Yeah, it's happening right now. All right. Hold on. Okay, Gevna. Zijn we umgekommen to the unboxing segment of the day. Zijn we umgekommen to the unboxing segment. I regen. Dacht, we stoppen deze sad music. Zijn niet zo sad. Onzeker. All right. So umgekommen this in the mail. Let's go. Sie steht nicht, in wem sie ist umgekommen. Und ich weiß nicht, was es ist. Oh. Hold on. I will teach you how to be rich. Get. I'll take that. Okay. A unique voice on money. No guilt, no excuses, no BS. Just 6 weeks of programs that works. Okay. By Ramit Sethai. So whoever hat this geschickt, thank you very much. Thank you very much. Okay. We will give it a read. So kijkt ons wie ganz easy read. So we'll do that. So thank you whoever hat this geschickt. I really do appreciate you. So thank you. And that's it for the unboxing. A short segment. A very short segment. Congratulations on Viggy becoming rich. Noch nicht. Alles geht's noch nicht. Ich meine, ich bin rich. Ich habe 2 Fies, ich ete. You know, I have good days, I have bad days. So, if you want to count that as rich as it gets. So thank you. Laat me zijn meer de boek doen. Je hebt daarvoor gewist een beetje geschikt, dit boek. Identify yourself. Dit sounds maybe davenen een beetje. All right. I guess in 20 minutes I'm going to have the DAF. Kan ik gelijk meer zoeken. Just FYI. I'm giving you PTSD. I'm sorry, Brooklyn. Not intentional. What's the PTSD? Wie gebe ich es und wie kann ich stoppen mit das geben? Is it a me issue or a you issue? I hope the one is read it already. I hope so too. Days are coming. I don't know who that is. Hello and welcome. Schein dir zu sehen, du. Von wie, wo's wenn? Change the Nummer, oder? Pre-traumatic stress syndrome? Favos. Was ist das? What am I missing? Brooklyn. Was heißt das da? Zum Rugo in meiner Sache. Als, it's name mit MDY. The Duff in the Tug. But Brooklyn, my intentions is nicht this, obviously. I mean, hopefully it's obvious. From Israel, a different count from Khan. Oh, Chaim. Hello and welcome, Chaim. In the rest from the music? The rest from the music? Es ist nicht ganz sad music, es ist auch derbarme music. Man wird derbarmt, man wird ungewarmt, I would say. A funeral is sad. It might be very close to the emotion. Most probably in the Heim. I would, if I have to venture out and guess. Wie bist du, Chaim? Brooklyn, ich denke aufwachsen dick. Ich denke, es gibt ein Piram, wie man gerät, aber tun ist an Hollerless. So, ich denke, eine ganze Piram, aber getanzen. Jetzt bin ich Hollerless, oder jetzt habe ich Simcha? So, it's very close. Funeral and being derbarmt, ungewarmt bei Amigen. It might be very close, but it's two different things. But obviously depressing, can change the music. Right away change the music. What about the terror attack? Yeah, zum es gehede finden, zum es schon früher rede finden. It's sad. It's sad. Weil die zwei Mechablim sind da, ne? Man hat sie geschossen. They're not gonna do it again, that's for sure. They ain't doing it no more. I can promise you that. supposedly 6 Menschen sind an ihm gekommen. Ach. What a sad day. What a sad day for that. Es ist interessant, als Israel hat a terrible gun law. Sie sind bechlall nicht geht mit guns in Israel. Menschen meinen, als Israel will gedacht sein free, like citizens wollten gedacht haben mehr guns, but they don't have. They don't have guns. So, noch Oktober 7 haben sie gegeben, fast Stochen, sind sie gegangen bringen Guns. Du kannst anything schicken zu der P.O. Box. Als es eine größere Sache, like UPS oder etwas, schreib Suite 143. Schreib die Adresse und schreib Suite 143. Nicht P.O. Box. Do you eat nuts, Rosh Hashanah? Father for that question, is it a tricky question? Is it like, we doen just nuts? I think so. I don't know. I don't remember it being a thing. Oh, die meisten wegen des Salz? I don't know. Alle gewiss nicht wissen nicht jetzt. Ich pick es so, wenn ich bin available, you know what I mean? Brooklyn, die meisten suchen wegen the salt of the nuts versus honey. Like Rosh Hashanah is honey. I never remember having an issue with that. Exactly, alles geht's. That's right. Might not be for you, but... Du Menschen, die fuhren, sie haben mal Issues, sie fuhren zu Quorum, fuhren in der ganzen Welt. Man ist busy mit Instagram. Nur wenn man sich als man hört mich aus. Picture bei der Rebbe ziehen mit der Tillamel. I'm like, bro, you missed the plot, sir. You missed the plot. Yankee T, Zaire get the mix so far. You can stay on for that and show us somewhere cheaper. But nachdem alles geht an, dann ich kann sagen, als eine gewähne Nummer, you know? Jeder fuhrt Nicht jeder, I'm sorry. Die Menschen fuhren, sie sagen cool. Können dich sagen, als sie sagen, fuhren. Get what I'm saying? Allah was gelehrt, Loi so je. Ahavas gelehrt, Loi so je. Some people don't eat nuts because of that. Don't know Brooklyn, but I seem to eat it. Never hear that. Love a boy, zeri yo, oh yeah. Rai ba mi de ba ye hire ye veget lo ba boy zeri yo.
Kahaval berachme mi verutzoin, berachme mi verutzoin, stfilu sayini. Kahaval
Berachme mi verutzoin,
berachme mi verutzoin, stfilu sayini.
Ich denke, ich habe es wegen Chalas, but I don't remember. Brooklyn. Pesach, Pesach, Shahar HaShemayim, Pesach, Pesach. Oy 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 la 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 di da, oy 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 la 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 di da da. Oy la la di da, oy 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 la la di da. Fat fingered. Mistake. But got recovered a bit, so we're good. Pesach, Pesach, HaShemayim, Pesach, Pesach, Shahar HaShemayim. Pesach, Pesach, Shahar HaShemayim, Pesach, Pesach. Pesach, oy Pesach. Wow. OTC is overgegaan til $56. Woo! Bro, 2,400%. Wat ze gaan zeggen echt. Wow. High 5702. Wow, go. Wanneer we gemeen in? Ik ben mijn kennis aan in, but. Wow. What a move. 2,700% up. OCTO. Wow, money printer. Brrr. Hoyo, di-da-da-dee-da, hoyo. It's crazy. Oh my God. Thank God that I wasn't in. All right. Just imagine if I like that stop loss about $50. Er wollte zurückgekommen, aber gesehen, sein Account trippelt the Geld. Phew. Okay. Ich fühle, wie man darf sagen, okay. Sie do eine Nummer, die man darf herausgehen. Keine kann ich das predikten. Gehen von $1 something zu $50. Wow. What a move. What a move. Alle Menschen haben gekauft Shorts, du hinten. Boo. Hello. Man pickt over the Geld. Jetzt darf man the Geld. Lamaki. 6 minutes to the duff. 6 minutes to the duff. Hallo, wir sind da warme Nigen. Zum schon ausgeht warme Nigen und du der ganzen in der Früh. Wo es geht sein mit der ganzen Gaza-Israeli-Konflikt? Sie darf schon sein over, no? Sie darf sein over. Ich hoffe, die Menschen on top sind nicht evil. Sie gehen nicht mit Stiefel. Sally. Hello and welcome, Sally. How you doing? We're 4 minutes away from you know what? OCT off. Wil nog erop voor. Wil nog erop voor. Wie was het? $45. Just crazy, Hebra. We're 3 minutes away.
Sure. ונח נוירו כי ימין נחו ושייתו אוי לקבייל לשובי כי ימין נחו ושייתו
I did. That was from you? That we opened it up 10:01. I was looking into the book. Okay, this is going to be a joke. I have to say a preface before that. I was looking into the book. Where do I send my QuickPay address? Joking. But I'll start reading it. It's a book. It's a book. Okay. Is it Daf Zion today? Nice, thank you. Sadly, is it Daf Zion today? And literally in a manitarim. Shulam Weiss, Shmilu Weiss. I'm sorry. I apologize. Hello and welcome. Seven. All right, I'll be back in a minute. I'm gonna go take a second break, and I'll be back. Okay. Damit zurück. So, wir machen du Pause am Minute. Okay, Chavre. In zijn we in. In zijn we do. Hand is daf number 7. Hold on. Let's get into it.
Good morning, Rabbi Sai. Lili Nishmasi Mimir Rossi Ruspas Mordechai. Breakfast is sponsored by Ari and Chavi Davis in honor of Meir V'Rebbe, Reb Eli Shlita returning rejuvenated from the Shabbaton. Also in honor of our new granddaughter Lior Rivka, daughter to Yehuda Malki Mazel Tov. Yehuda has single-handedly pioneered the new MDY Northwest London hub. Bezer Hashem should be very matzliach. Here's again, even though this is from last night, but Benny Rudnick, who did so much for the daf, put together hundreds of hours for an amazing Shabbaton. And whoever didn't come could still do Shuvas HaMishkol and be part of it next year. Bezer Hashem, we're going to be in a larger hotel. The success was out of this world. People walked away on such a high, unbelievable. Speak to anybody that was there, you'll see it was a big shame. Whoever didn't make it, a big shame. Gil, you were there. Barely spoke to you. So I thought I was the only one that didn't make it to the water. It turns out that 90% of the people didn't, but right before we left, we just went, we made a bracha on it, and we went weiter. Here we go. Good morning, Rabbi Sai. That was Shimi Braun and his son. It was beautiful. Pasha beautiful. Givaldik.
Sadly, all the emails is for you.
We don't need to see the second. Rabbi Sai, save the date. some of the Israelis, it's a pella. People flew in from America to be at the Shabbaton, but people that live here, no.
That's how it goes.
It's not about the money, because you know that when things are important, when you need a little therapy or whatever it is, you find the money for it. When something's important to you, you find the money. We're not talking about crazy money here. 2,500 shekel for a couple for the whole Shabbos. You know that MDY had to pull out of their own pocket to make it happen. It's not the money. So, and if it is the money, start saving up now for next year. Put away 200 shekel a month, and you'll have an experience of ruchnius and gashmius.
Can ich bezahlen Karent, aber leider weg, huh? I'm kidding.
Parsha Shmois, January 9th in America. Save the date. This is actually an animated picture. Check a look. Unbelievable. Oh, the one and only Shlomi Klein made a chasana, Mazel Tov. The usual suspects, Peretz Chaim Levin and Akiva Ziegler. And this was, okay, I think I showed this already. This is Kobe doing the shir. Check this out, everybody. It's Chabad Lubavitch, Staten Island. We already have 9 chevra. Who's going to be the center? Thank you, Rabbi. Thanks for a Shabbos of Roimimus, Umatzima. I'm not going to go translate these words. This is exactly what I needed before Rosh Hashanah. We came back. This is Kobe Sela, who gave a Chamisha Chumshei Torah Shnayim Mikra to every single guest. 100. Oh, you were there also. Yeah, thank you.
In the room.
Everybody got one in the room. Okay. Should I read this? Oh, he's just saying that he's from Yerucham and he found the daf, he loves it. This is an interesting one. David Moser from Geva Binyamin Adam. I'm almost a year with the shir. I just want to tell you that last year, Yom Kippur, he was mekabel on himself a new Kabbalah after he saw status. This all came from a status. It was in daf Kuf Ches, in the beginning of Yesh Noicham Bava Basra. His Kabbalah was he's not going to go to sleep before he finishes that day's daf.
Oh, nice.
And therefore, he found himself during the year, hours that are not hours, finishing up a daf. Doesn't matter where he was in the world, doesn't give up on the daf. That's how an entire year went by without missing a single daf. I finished almost Bava Basra, Sanhedrin, Makish, Shavuos, Avodah Zarah, and soon Horius. This is the first time in my life that I'm going to be finishing Shnayim Mikra V'Echad Targum with Rashi. My son, 9 years old, Ariel, started Makis. I was able to finish up Masechet Bava Basra.
Deze moordig as junge Kinder, are taking a part of this, which I like.
From the beginning, while I was on vacation, my entire house, my entire family, everything changed. The reason why I am...
it also makes sense that the ganze family changed. Weil man sieht, dass Tati is busy with some serious stuff, you know?
Mishatef, how you say Mishatef? I'm sharing with everybody. It's because we're coming close to Yom Neroim, and my whole story started with a status from one person that didn't realize what kind of influence he's going to have on my life. And my idea is to bring another Sanegar. How do you say Sanegar? Advocate. Oh, it's a good word. For Yom Adin. So we're starting a new Masechta. A new, I'm saying, sticking in here, a new Seder Kachim. Everybody in MDY, please put it in your status. Talk to your friends. Turn to those who are lost and are looking for direction. Give them another advocate for Yom Adin. All right, thanks for all the chesed. And here's a picture of my son Ariel, who snuck in one of the shiurim. David Moser from the Yishuv, Geva Binyamin Adam. Oh, one last one here. I believe that everybody in this group, this was written in one of the WhatsApp groups, got a tremendous Chaskas HaTorah during Shabbos at the Kinar. This is the place to thank all those who work days and nights, and more nights than days, that should turn out to be mushlam, complete. How do you say? Perfect. It was perfect. But I could, if I want to be Mesakim the Shabbos in one sentence, this Shabbos changed my life. I'm here from the beginning of Bava Metzia without missing a single daf. I brought a lot of people to the daf.
Hopefully we can find some money, Sally.
But after Shabbos, I realized I have to bring more
Get your daughter there.
So I set myself a thing. This is Panovich math, Rabbi Yisai, 101. Every day of the week, I'm going to bring at least one person to the daf.
Phew.
Today, I brought 3. And tomorrow, Be'ezer Hashem, I'm going to bring 5.
He's going to do 400,000
Exactly.
Shooting for the stars.
So anyways, thanks to all the organizers. This is the Shabbos that changed my life. Shuki Yaakovson, Nekudat Tzviah, Ramat Daled. He opened up a place in Ramat Daled. He has over 10 people already. He just opened up a week ago or so. One thing I'll tell you from the many people that came to the Shabbaton, I think like 170 couples, the women, it was an unbelievable influence on the women. Shapsi Cohen's wife told me that when she came for Shabbos, she was sure that her husband is Meshug, he's part of a cult. All he does the whole day, he speaks about the daf. He says, okay, he's part of the cult, Nebuch. She walks in, she sees Kobe Sella with an MDY tie. She said, I'm right, and this guy's with MDY socks. But within 15 minutes, she changed her whole opinion. She was crying during Shabbos, the whole thing. And she realized, and a lot of people told me the same thing, their wives were, now they understood what the whole hak is, and now they feel more part of it. Shalom Aleichem. What's your name? Eli Schreiber. Shalom Aleichem. From? New York. Shalom Aleichem. One more picture of Yochanan Itzkowitz at his chasana, and guess who's there? David Salmon, dedicated in memory of Avi Mori, Reb Shmuel Baruch, Berem Chaim Tzvi, Doi Zichron Levracha. I'm saying because a lot of the women, I hear this all the time. My wife doesn't want to go. She doesn't know who she's going to speak to. She doesn't feel comfortable. And then it turns out that the wife felt very comfortable and she felt part of it. And
jeden Tag ist einer sponsor the breakfast, no? Nee.
V'chulu. The Mesech sponsor anonymous.
Wie sind wir denn?
Joel Gedalis, leading Nishmas, my father Jack Gedalius. Monthly, anonymous from London, Atzlacha b'Parnasa. Anonymous, Zechut b'Fur Shlomo for Shlomo Binyamin.
So many anonymously?
No better way to ask for it. Baruch Hashem. Monthly sponsors, TCS Israel Power, Talk and Save. Anonymous for Shlomo Sarah Bat Motaram and Shira Bat Sarah. Aaron Kessler, in honor of the marriage of my son and my daughter, and my relocating to Eden Gardens in Orlando, Florida. Anonymous from London, Atzlacha b'Parnasa. Wait a minute, didn't we do that before?
Yes.
Anonymous from London, Atzlacha b'Parnasa is a monthly. And here, I guess it's a mistake. Fine. Daily sponsors, Marvin and Linda Diamond. I mean, it's good to daven twice for him. Fine. But that's for the editors. Marvin and Linda Diamond. Nishmas Louis Tolchin, Moishalei Ben, Rabbi Yitzchak, Yardside, Fort in the Vale. Parienti. Double. In memory of my dear uncle, Chaim Eliyahu Ben. Sorry, it's getting crazier and crazier. Then people say, why, whatever. You see all the magnets, then you know why the wife thinks that he's in a cult. MDY Art, monthly, Refuah Shleima for Yonatan Eitan Ben with Esther. I was going to call you Ellie.
I know, I specifically said Eli.
It can't be Ellie now.
No, it's good. I just don't want to keep them.
You don't want to compare. Eli. Where do you live?
Deal, New Jersey.
Deal, New Jersey. Shkoyach, we missed you on this trip. You were on the first one. Do you remember that funny caver that was next to the Megala Mukas? Benny didn't remember. He didn't even know that we were there. Okay, fine. My boy said we're in a brand new parak.
Sadly.
Brand new parak. Until now, we're talking about when Bezdin makes a mistake and Klal Yisrael does the Aveira based on the Bezdin. Now, I have something very, very different. We have the Kohen Gadol. The Kohen Gadol, similar concept. There's a whole pasuk about the Kohen Gadol doing an Aveira. When he does an Aveira, he also has to bring a bull. The Aveira is similar to the Bezdin in that he rules, he says this is the halacha, and then he does it. What if the Kohen Gadol, and we're talking about a Mashiach here, let's show this, let's get this clear. It's called Kohen Mashiach, which means he's not Mashiach, it means he's the Kohen Gadol who had the oil anointed. He poured the oil on him. This only occurred in the first Beis Hamikdash. Second Beis Hamikdash, there's no more oil. So this halacha doesn't apply anymore in the second Beis Hamikdash. It has to be Kohen HaMashuach, Kohen HaMashiach. This Eliyakim from the Koilel told the artist to do this, whatever. It's based on a true story. A guy showed up, dressed up this way. He's like, what? You don't know what I'm dressed up as? Here it is.
Capacity de chauffeur.
Not this.
למה התחפשת,
This
חמוד?
is it.
אתה לא רואה? לפר, כהן, משיח. אני התחפשתי לרב עלי.
This is getting crazy, yeah?
Kohen, Mashiach. I don't know what he said over there. Talmud Bibavel, it says, backwards. Great. Anyway, so there's different halachas, similar but very different. Hayra Kohen Mashiach la'atzmai shogeg. This Kohen Gadol, we'll call him the Kohen Gadol. Usually Gadol Adar, knows how to learn. He paskins that this is the halacha. This type of chaylev, the chaylev that's on, the keva, whatever, the dakin, that's mutter. By mistake. Vasa shogeg. And then he went ahead and he ate it. Maybe par. That's a classic case. Now the Gemara is going to ask, what's the big chiddush? There's a pasuk, so obviously that's a classic case. Shogeg v'asa mezid. This is interesting. He once learned in yeshiva, he came with the whole shikol Torah that this particular chaylev is mutter. But right before he ate the chaylev, he decided it's aser. He realized it's aser. In other words, he realized he made a mistake in yeshiva. It started out as a shogeg, ends up as a mezid. We had these funny cases the other day, the parallel davar. Did it ever happen? I doubt it. So he's a mezid. He's a mezid just because he made a shogeg. He ruled earlier a shogeg. Obviously, you don't bring a carbon for that. Now, mezid v'asa shogeg. If he deliberately said the halacha is you're allowed to eat chaylev and he knew very well you can't. V'asa shogeg then he came home and he was in the mood of shuman. And he asked his wife for shuman and she gave him chaylev by mistake. So a regular Jew would have to bring a carbon chatas. He made a mistake. But he's a kohen gadol. In that case, he's potter. You don't have the par kohen gadol, the par kohen mashiach, because he wasn't a shogeg. He was a mezid to begin with. He didn't have a hira. He didn't have a good psak. The psak that he made it for himself had a flaw to it. What's the flaw? It was a mezid psak. That's not a good psak. It has to start off as a shogeg. And the fact that he was a shogeg at the end, he's not a regular human being. He's a kohen gadol. So if his wife served him the wrong thing, he doesn't bring a carbon like a regular person. He's not a regular person. He's a kohen gadol. So he's potter. So Yiraz kohen mashiach la'atzmai, koyiraz bezin l'tzibur. Just like the tzibur, we had the whole parak, the first parak of Harius, is when the bezdin makes a mistake, and then Klal Yisrael, based on their mistake, also makes a mistake. That's how it has to be with the kohen gadol. He has to make a mistake in the psak, and then he follows his own psak by mistake. But if there's any mazid in the first step or the second step, there's no har kohen mashiach. Right? Because let's think about it. If the bezdin deliberately says to Klal Yisrael, you like to eat chaylev, and they know very well you can't, then you're not bringing a carbon. There's no parallel davar.
So wie sie können sagen, der ganze Besen hat so ugemacht und upmachen.
Shogeg v'asa shogeg, maybe par. So the first part of the Gemara says, listen, I don't even know why it has to be the Mishnah. Isn't that the pasuk? Here, let's see the pasuk for a second. Why not? Im hakoyin ha-Mashiach. So we know now, Mashiach is not Mashiach. It's going to come redeem us. Mashiach means he was anointed. And it says at the end of the pasuk, he brings a par. Asher yachta, he brings a par. What does a typical Yisrael bring when he does a chet and he's mechal shabbos by mistake? What does he bring? A sheep. A chat, a sheep. Okay, it's a par. It's similar to par and davar. So what's the chiddush? So it's interesting. The Meshech Chacham says that how's it like he's a Gadol Adar, he's making a mistake here. So he says what happened was that, and he says it's merumas in the pasuk. What happened was he messed up on his carbon Yom Kippur. So what happens is Hashem is migalgal that he makes a mistake in halacha, and that's the pshat in la'ashmas ha'am. It says la'ashmas ha'am. It's to show the nation that he messed up on Yom Kippur. Let's do this whole thing. That's his inside tip. What happened over there? Omar Abayis, what's the chiddush over here? But that's a pasuk. It's a first pasuk. Kohen Mashiach par here in the pasuk par. What's the case? Shogeg. Okay, like why can't you just say that halacha klar so everybody in yeshiva knows? Okay.
You sort of said it, but I don't know if it was clear that he doesn't bring a chatas at all.
Yeah.
Is this chatas? Right.
No. When there's a mezid, when he starts off mezid and he goes to shogeg, he brings zero. Right. No chatas as Yisrael, no par as a kohen gadol. That's something else. We're talking about the first case, shogeg and shogeg. A regular case, he started off shogeg, he made a halacha, he passed in shogeg, then he goes and he does it for shogeg. So he brings a par. Isn't that what the Torah is talking about? That's the typical case. Rabbi, no, it's not typical. He made a psak and he forgot why he did it. Person learned years ago, they say this about Rabbi Yashav, you see many times people asking questions, he said, look, all I know is that when I learned the sugi, I had tremendous rayas and this, and I came up with that halacha. Today I don't know exactly, ask me good. Yeah, it's a good kasha. I went through the whole sugi, I came at the end, I thought about your kasha, I had a good raya. He also, 15 years ago, he was in Koilel, he learned the whole sugi well. He came up that this type of chaylev is mutter. Today, he has no idea. But based on what he did, I think it's important to think about it for a second. And as I say this, maybe we'll have somebody that's brave, because in the Hebrew shir, nobody stepped forward. I was hoping somebody, at least in the Hebrew shir, maybe somebody do tshuva today, and step forward. If you think about it, I think every single person in this room does things only because he did them when he was 15 years old, he started doing them, and today, he's in his 40s, 50s, he still does them, and if he thought about it for one moment, he'd say, why in the world did I do this? The classic example is, you have this, we even asked Shlomo to do something for this. A girl watches her mother make a roast, and the mother cuts the roast, she cuts off the ends, it should have been the ends, and she puts it into the pot. Later on, when this girl grows up and she makes her own roast, so she does the same exact thing. Takes the roast, she cuts the ends, and her husband asks her, why do you do that? She says, my mother did it. But it turns out that her mother only did it so it could fit into the pan, the small pan. She had a larger pan. And sometimes you do things, you have no idea what you're doing. I was at my friend's house for Avdallah, and he's a nice guy. He's a very calm person, and he walks in, and the Avdallah wasn't on the table, and he bangs on it, he says, where's that? I don't understand. I came home and the Avdallah's not on the... So after what's going on here? It's not... Says, that's what my father did the same exact thing. Every day we come up, and it's normal for him to, wait, you're right, maybe it doesn't have to be on the table, maybe I should bring it out.
Finde kann man sich lernen, als Sache, wo du bist aufgewachsen mit, viele, die meinst, die Geistes nicht stehen, chances are huge that you're gonna do it. Huge.
V'chulu.
I still brush my hair.
Exactly. But anyway, I think whether it's ben adam l'chaveroi, or ben adam l'makayim, or whatever it is, just a weird. You don't even know why you do it. A guy disagreed with me. He goes, "There's a certain shul that every time they did Moedim D'Rabbanan, the whole shul turned around, almost like by B'Shalom Shalom at the L'Chadaydi, they faced the door of the shul." And they asked me like, "Why?" And then one day when they removed the wallpaper on the back wall, they saw there was a whole Moedim D'Rabbanan plastered on the back. Things like that. You don't even know why you do it. You don't know. You yell at people. You diss at people. You put your thing like that instead of like that. And then you think, wait a minute, just because I did this, for the last 20 years doesn't mean it's the right thing to do. It becomes your own minhag.
That's what therapy is for.
Somebody said also yesterday, some people, they do as a shalom, they take 3 jumps. It's like, and where did that come from? Where does it say in any sefer 3 jumps? It's just kind of like, okay, the pinky. Because it's also the point. In America, you don't point. It's very not polite. So you're going to point at a sefer Torah. Anyway. You ever had that Israeli friend that comes to America and you're like, who's that guy over there? Like, put your hand down. You don't do that in America. Especially to a non-Jew that looks a little different than you. Mazeh? In the subway. Talk to Gemara. Yeah, so what happened over here was, he has no idea. He eats chaylev. Why does he eat chaylev? He made a psak once when he was younger, dumber and younger, and he didn't know. And then it just continued his whole life. He does this. This is what he does. I'm not joking. I know somebody. A guy used to down next to him. He has a minute. He doesn't even know that he skips the entire first paragraph of Aleinu. No, a regular guy, but this is how he did it when he was 13, 14, 17, 25, 45. You listen to him, he just skips the entire paragraph. He just gets to the bottom. He doesn't even know. No clue. So this guy also, he doesn't even know. He doesn't know why. So the Gemara says, I would actually think this is amazing. This is a guy that's amazing. Maybe he shouldn't bring any carbon. Maybe today you would rethink the whole thing and you'd say that it's not, Chaylev is not mutter. Maybe it should be like Mazid. It's on the side of a Mazid. But you shouldn't be chayv carbon because the carbon is only when you do a shayik. Kamash and he brings a carbon. Next. Mazid vas a shayik. If he paskin deliberately that Chaylev is mutter even though he knows that it's not, and then he did it b'shayik. So the Mishnah says that the Kohen Gadol is similar to parallel.
So es ist Zeit, sich umzukicken, wusstet man in your own life that is just simply a mechanism, wo du hast amul geteen, oder du hast gesehen mit alles teen, in die feels wie so. That's how it becomes, that's how it belongs, but not necessarily. You can be totally wrong.
Which we already discussed, that if the Bezdin does it deliberately, they paskin wrongly, on purpose, they don't bring a parallel davar, even though Klai Yisrael did it b'shagi. How do you know this by a Kohen Gadol? How do you know the same levels by Kohen Gadol? The Torah Rabbanon Lash Masam, Harei Mashiach Ketzibur. Okay, so this is very important. From these 2 words, from this pasuk Lash Masam, I know that a Kohen Gadol is similar to the Am. Here, it's in the pasuk of a Kohen Gadol. Im HaKohen Mashiach Yechta, Lash Masam. What does it mean Lash Masam? To the, I don't know how to translate. I say Lash Mas, to the guilt of the nation. Fine, called the guilt of the nation. He made a chet. What does that have to do with the nation? So there's a connection between him and the nation, between him and the tzibur. And Memela, he operates with the same rules as the tzibur, that if it starts off as amazing, he doesn't bring a par.
The shade and the sick, but you do a sickness.
Why do I need a pasuk? I can figure this out on my own. Isn't it a kavachomer or not a kavachomer? I can just do a memetzinu. If this is how it is by the tzibur, that's how it should be by Kohen Gadol. So the bottom line of the Gemara's question is, why do I need 2 words? Lash Masam. Now what? Tzibur, top of Zayin Amud Aleph. Tzibur mutzvah klal yachid. Tzibur is not like an individual. An individual does an avera, brings a chatas. A tzibur does an avera based on the bezin. The bezin brings a par, or maybe every shaver brings a par. Machlokes we learned, Meir, Yehuda, Shimon. But it's different than the yachid. Mashiach and the Kohen Gadol is different than the yachid, mutzvah klal yachid. He's also very different. Why? Because the Nasi, Mashiach mutzvah klal yachid, mat tzibur ein chayavim. El helam davar im shigas ma'isa. Oh, so this is something very, very simple, but let's get this clear. It's something called helam davar shigas ma'isa. Where was it? Here. All it means is, helam davar means that bezin made a mistake. Helam davar, they forgot it. Shigas ma'isa is a shagig. That the nation did a shagig. You could have, by the way, the left side, shigas chatas. That is, I walked home, I asked my wife for food for shuman and she gave me chaylev. That's a shigas chatas. But that was without the helam davar. It was without the bezin pasking that chaylev is mutter. You have helam davar, bezin first paskin, then Klai Yisrael did what bezin told him to do. So that's a shagig. That's a typical case of par helam davar. Yeah? Helam davar, shigas chatas. The bezin made a mistake, and then Klai Yisrael went ahead and did it. The shagig. So tzibur in chayavim. When does the bezin bring this par helam davar only al helam davar when the bezin made a mistake? In shigas ma'isa when the nation went ahead and did it b'shagig. Af Mashiach lo yechayev el helam davar shigas ma'isa. Why do I need Lash Masam? I can learn it straight from the tzibur. Just very, very simple. Just to make it visual. Yeah, the Kohen Gadol in the middle. We can learn the Kohen Gadol from
The Lamala is going through weights over here.
the tzibur. The tzibur over here has certain things that it's similar to the Kohen Gadol. And the bottom line is on top it says, you need a helam davar, you need the bezin made a mistake, and shigas ma'isa yechayev. On the flip side, the Gemara is going to say, well, wait a minute, he's also similar to the Nasi. Nasi is like the king. The one, not the Nasi of the Shevet, the king, the melech of Klai Yisrael, let's call him. The Nasi, the head of Klai Yisrael, he brings a carbon, his own carbon, different than when everybody brings a sheep, he brings a bull. But he brings it when he makes a mistake. Not that there's a hira and then a mistake. It's not a helam davar and then a mistake. It's a mistake. Straight to the mistake. Instead of an individual bringing a small animal, he brings a large one because he's the Nasi. That's the only difference. In terms of the par that he brings. There's 3 paras, the par helam davar, par Mashiach, and par Nasi. So the Nasi is different than the other 2. So says the Gemara, wait a minute, who told you to learn? The reason why you need a special pasuk, Lash Masam, so Meicha Taisa to learn from the left. Maybe I'll learn from the right. Perhaps I can learn from the Nasi. Nasi is also different than a regular individual. And the Kohen Gadol is different than an individual. Nasi maybe she gets mice, but like Helen Dover. Oh, you don't need a Helen Dover. You don't need a mistake of the Bezdin. You don't need a mistake of the Kohen Gadol. Maybe the Kohen Gadol makes a mistake. Like before we said, there's a case where the Kohen Gadol makes a mistake and he doesn't bring anything. No, maybe if he makes a mistake, he should bring something. Mashiach, maybe she gets mice, but like Helen Dover. No, time out. Shamshi's right. Maybe I didn't say it well enough. When a Kohen Gadol, he's a Kohen Gadol that received the anointment, and he goes ahead and he makes a mistake on Shabbos. He's L'chal Shabbos. He thought that it's not Shabbos today, or he thought that he doesn't bring a carbon. I'm pretty sure you don't bring a carbon in that case. He's a Yachid who doesn't bring a carbon because he's a Kohen Gadol. The only time he brings a carbon is if he passes that it's mutter, and then he went ahead and he did it. Then he brings a bull, not a sheep.
Bringt, weil hat gepasst, oder bringt, weil hat overgewinnt?
I think no, he's not a Yachid. He's not a Yachid. He's not a Yachid. I'm pretty sure. He's not a Yachid. He's a Kohen Gadol. He's a Kohen Gadol. Yeah. No, but didn't mean he had a shogig. Paskin means I hold that this is mutter and I'm doing it now. That's my shogig. My shogig is after I paskin. I went through the sugi. I know it's Shabbos today, and I know that this milach is aser, but this part of the milach is mutter today. Hachnas is mutter. Not like so. I came up with the whole. I went through the whole Torah. I went through the whole Shulchan Aruch, and I made a psak. No, and even if it is, you don't bring on regular shogig, you don't bring anything. On Hayra, that's what we're talking about. You need a Hayra, you need a Helen Dover, you need a Hayra, which is a psak that this kind of Melech Shabbos is mutter, and then I go ahead and I do it, then I bring a carbon. Those are the rules.
I see. And
that's exactly what the Gemara is asking now. Who told you need that part that you made a psak? Maybe he made a mistake. He Pasha forgot that today's Shabbos. It happens. You wake up in the morning, you have no idea where you are, and you hit your alarm clock. I don't know what you do. You don't know it's Shabbos, right? You got your keys, you go into your car, and all of a sudden you see all the people at the Talesi, like, oh, you're it's Shabbos. So maybe for that you should bring a carbon. Like a Nasi would bring a carbon in that case. Not a regular carbon, you bring a giant bull. But you're the Kohen Gadol. You don't bring a carbon when you make a mistake. You only bring a carbon when you paskin that you're allowed to drive to Shul on Shabbos. And then you get in a car and you drive on Shabbos. I'm sure maybe, man Nasi, you see?
So it's not wegen der Pasken, so the actual team, the driven. I see.
6 lines from the top. Man Nasi, maybe Mashiach's Maisa. A Nasi brings a carbon when he makes a mistake with that psak. But Lo Helen Dover. Mashiach, maybe Kohen Gadol should be the same thing. Maybe Mashiach's Maisa, but Lo Helen Dover. That's why this is. Maybe it should be like the right Shigas Maisa Chayiv. Not Helen Dover in Shigas Maisa Chayiv. It's a very different halacha. She says nearly me daima. Let's see. Who's he more? Who can you compare the Kohen Gadol to the right or to the left? Tzibor bepar, ve'mevim Asham Tali. You see, on the left side is a par. Now the Asham Tali. You see this little guy over here? Remember, he was hanging by a hanger. Should I remind you guys? Here, this guy. Asham Tali means that you do not you don't even know if you did it or not. So you're hanging. You don't bring this guy. Now this is important to remember because the Gemara is going to ask, how do I know you don't bring him? And it's actually from just doing a little chazara, a preempting. The Gemara says the only way I know he doesn't bring it is because of this pasuk lash masam, but that comes afterwards. That's what the whole question of the Gemara is: why do I need lash masam? The Gemara says, I tell you why you need lash masam because he's similar because he doesn't bring lash masam. How do I know lash masam? All the way from lash masam, so you go in a circle. So we can't say lash masam. This lash masam we're going to bump it. It's not important. This Asham Tali. That's what the Gemara says at the end. The bottom line is that we try to find why is the Kohen Gadol similar to the Tzibur. No, not a Tzibur, but par. That's enough for us. Happens to be also Ve'mevim Asham Tali, but that comes later from another pasuk. U'mashiach b'par ve'mevim Asham Tali. And therefore what? Just like the Tzibur, you need a psak from the Sanhedrin that says you can eat this chaylev and then go ahead and eat it. So to the Kohen Gadol when he himself makes his own psak, and then he goes and eats the chaylev. Maybe I should learn the Kohen Gadol from the right side. Nasi maybe see when he worships Avodah Zarah, this Nasi, this Melech, he brings a female goat. Or maybe Asham Vadai. And in certain situations, he's going to bring Asham Vadai. Rabbi, I got to tell the Olam because it's mamish any day. We're starting Zvachim. Here's an advert, they call it in London, from Dov Harris and his friends. It's not a joke. It's mamish starting, Tuesday. We got to bring people. We got to bring at least 3,000 English-speaking people to Kachim, and we have to explain to them. Most people didn't learn Kachim. Here's an opportunity to jump in. I don't know what you say there is, what it's not. Mashiach is coming any day, and we have no clue what to bring, what to do, and how it works, and what the avodah is. Here's our chance to learn. It's Kishmaka stuff. I was going through it today. I had such hana. Every daf is half the size of Harius. I'm not joking. Look it up. Some of them, daf nun aleph was literally two lines. I don't know what I'm going to do in terms of how do I fill up before I will have just a lot of mices. I'll figure it out. Those are the daf I'm going to go over like Shabbos 8:17. Not joke. It's not a joke. Daf after daf. Kishmaka moed. One of the hardest Shabbos I had in my life this week, just because of the length of the daf. It's just hard. There's no this speech, that speech. I'm going and I'm not sleeping. Falling. Crazy. Unbelievable. The amount of words here. ChatGPT let me down. I asked ChatGPT, what's the average word on hers? I want to see if he knows. He says 800. Lie. Mamsha lie. 1,200. So he starts making cheshbon, 8 words per day. He makes his own cheshbon, but he has no clue. No clue. Anyway, so I'm looking forward to Zvachim in 1 week. And tell your friends, they got to come. But here we go. There's like a little bit of Zvachim here. There's Asham Vadai. We know what Asham Vadai is. When you bring Asham Vadai, because there's a carbon called Asham Vadai. Mashiach and this Kohen Gadol, maybe Seira, he brings this female go back.
So by September 16, I'm going to do Asiyam? Nice.
It's not similar, you see?
Okay,
like on the right side over here. Well, not this thing. Somewhere over here. There you go. Asham Vadai, see, he's a Vadai. He knows for sure. I don't know, Yoshi put him with weights. Then he has a female goat. Givaldik. And the Nasi has a special halacha that if he makes a mistake in Allah, he thought today is not Shabbos, he thought it's Sunday, or he thought that this malach is Mother Shabbos, he brings a carbon. Yes, it's a different carbon, but he brings a carbon. I'm Mashiach, so to the Kohen Gadol, maybe Mashiach is Maisa. Oh, therefore, after all this, since I don't know if to go to the right or go to the left, learn from the team or learn from the so I push this button right over here, boom, I'm going to go to the left. Why? Because the pasuk says Lash Masam. The Kohen Gadol is similar to the nation. Maybe you need 2 components. He makes the wrong psak, then he doesn't. Ema Matzibur Hoira, Vasu Achra by Rasa Chayam. Maybe it's similar, just like the Tzibur when the Bezdin paskins. What's Hoira? The Bezdin paskins, and then you listen to the Bezdin. You have to bring a par. A lot of people when we started this parak, I see in your eyes. I see what you're thinking. You're thinking that Koy Mashiach, he's like a Bezdin. He throws it up sack, and the whole Klal Yisrael listens to him. No, it's about himself. But how do you know it's about himself? He himself made the sin. Maybe only his avera that he did. He brings the chatos. Maybe al mashachatu has nothing to do with Klal Yisrael. Now we're just going to go into this little piece. Maybe Oshim Talui. This Kohen Gadol does not bring Oshim Talui, and if you look here, you see there's a big X on the Oshim Talui. How do you know? The Chsiv, it says Oshim Talui. What does that mean? That he made one mistake. He was a shagi. Yatsa Mashiach. No. We just discussed the Kohen Gadol. It's not one mistake. He does two components. He has to, in order to be over, he has to paskin then over. He's not just over the aveira. It's two things. And how do you know this Oshim Talui? Last one. So let's do the quick calculation.
Wer soll ihm sagen, bringen? Hat gepasst und haben ja. So who's going to override him?
See, why do you need Ashmas? I can learn it from logic. What's the logic? That here, the tzibur doesn't bring Ashmas Tali. And how do I know? Because of Lashmas Sam. So why do I need Lashmas Sam? I didn't get to Lashmas Sam yet. I'm asking, why do I need Lashmas Sam? Not after I know Lashmas Sam and there's the Ashmas Tali. So the Gemara says, yes, not important to understand exactly what I just said, because maybe I don't understand it myself. No, so I'll repeat. The whole Gemara is, why do I need these two words, Lashmas Sam? Let me learn it out of logic. And what is the logic? Because the Kohen Gadol is similar to the left guys, not the right. What's the similarity? Because the left guys, they don't bring Lashmas Tali. And how do you know they don't bring Lashmas Tali? Because it's Lashmas Sam. Oh, so you already have Lashmas Sam. You already need Lashmas Sam. So what do you tell me I don't need Lashmas Sam? I can learn that from logic. I can't learn that from logic because I need Lashmas Sam. So the Gemara says, Lashmas Sam, we're not even holding by Lashmas. We're before that. Before I'm trying to figure out if I can learn a Kohen Gadol without the pasuk Lashmas Sam. Ela Asham Kedinas, but you're right. Okay, we just threw it in as something else. But there's another raya because they bring a par, and he brings a par. Whereas on the right side, it's a goat, not a par. So we just for fun, we threw in Asham Tali, which really is not a great raya because that only comes afterwards. Okay, fine. Next, if the Bezin also made a bad decision and they told people they could eat, the Gemara's going to discuss. Let's say they said you could do Avodah Zarah. I don't know what. That's an example. And he said you could eat chaylev. So he's by himself, and he did it on his own. So he brings the par. What the Bezin passes, something else has nothing to do with him. Oh, but when does it have to do with him? What if he passes that the chaylev of the keva is mutter? It just so happens to be that the Sanhedrin also passes the chaylev on the keva is mutter. He's mechaven. Bar shekivanti an shtos. He made the same mistake as the Sanhedrin. So then he doesn't bring his own par. Then he could piggyback on the Sanhedrin's par. This is a whole sugya that we learned. The Bezin never uproots an entire halacha. They say that when you do Avodah Zarah, let's say, when you bow, you're allowed to bow shalikidarka. You're allowed to bow like this instead of getting on your knees. Or whatever we said, yeah? Or that you're allowed to bow to the par, even though you're not allowed to. They thought par is only when you relieve yourself, and they said, oh, it's only relieving, you're allowed to bow. And they made a mistake in that. Part of it. So to the Kohen Gadol, he's not uprooting a whole halacha, only part of it. Fascinating, Aruch HaShulchan brings the Yerushalmi. I thought it's very cool. What if the Sanhedrin says you're allowed to eat the chaylev on the keva? That's a part of the halacha. That's a typical parallel davar. Comes the Kohen Gadol and says, you're allowed to eat, I'm allowed to eat the chaylev on the other side. And together, he just abolished an entire halacha called chaylev. Does he bring a par? And the Yerushalmi says, no, he doesn't. Because he just abolished an entire halacha. Because based on the Sanhedrin, and based on him, even though he only did 50%, let's say, it's mitzaref. Yeah, I thought it's fascinating.
The other way. If the Kohen Gadol said first, then the Bezin.
I don't think it makes a difference. Oh, you mean? But then he goes and does it. Right here?
He holds by CTs, but not the tails.
Okay, so what? Just tails, strings. Oh, we have a whole lot to do. And that's the halacha of Avodah Zarah. And then when we said that he did it the B'shinoi, it has to be Pishu Daim Reglaim. So I showed the video. So on Shabbos, Rav Braverman said that he watches the shir every day. He was phenomenal, and he said he was in the taxi and he's laughing to himself. So he showed it to the driver, and the driver almost went off the road, and the driver told him he can't watch it in the car. Oh my, Shahaya. How do I know this? If the Kohen Gadol did the same avera as the Sanhedrin Paskin, I would think that he should bring his own carbon. V'dinu. Same kind of idea that we had before. Nasi mutzim klal yachid. A nasi is different than the individual. Mashiach mutzim klal yachid, and so is the Kohen Gadol different than yachid. Nasi chadav v'nei yatzim. Just like the nasi, the king, when he does an avera, he has to bring his own carbon. But if he coincides with the rest of the Klal Yisrael, he can rely on their carbon. Maybe he should be similar to the Kohen Gadol. He should bring. He doesn't have to bring anything. He can rely on the tzibur. Actually, I think I don't know if this helps or just confusing a little bit. Here, you have the nasi. You have the Kohen Gadol similar to the nasi. When he does a sin, he brings his own carbon. You have the tzibur. No, nasi.
Favus wollte der Nussi nicht gedacht bringen a carbon, wenn tit an a weiter. Like, on himself. I feel wenn passt nicht.
Is not a good place to learn from. Why? Because when Nasi is different. You know, he always uses the tzibur. He's always considered part of the tzibur, but Kohen Gadol is not part of the tzibur. When you see that on Yom Kippur he goes and he has the same karbanis like the tzibur, whereas the Kohen Gadol has to bring his own karbanis in Kippur. A little bit of a richos Hari style. Since he's not part of the tzibur, so maybe he should bring his own bull. Talmud says by the Kohen Gadol, he should bring for his own chet. Maybe if the Bezin was not involved, he did his own psak and his own avera. He brings the par. But if he did it based on what the Bezin said, he goes together with the tzibur. So what's the case where Kohen Gadol does his own psak? Who is he? What is he? What kind of Kohen Gadol is he? If he's the greatest, it's like Mamish, I got to say this, the famous Rav Chatzkel Abramsky in London, right? He was in court, and the judge asked him, "Are you the mufla?" He goes, they said that are you the greatest rabbi? He says, "Yes, I'm the greatest rabbi in Klal Yisrael." So the judge said, "But Rabbi, please, a little humility." He said, "I'm under oath. I have to say it the way it is. I am the greatest." He's the greatest. He's greater than them. She didn't scabble. Of course, he does his own thing. What the Sanhedrin passes is nothing compared to this psak. So he's the real psak, and he did a bad thing. He should bring a carbon. And everybody else that listens to them, they should bring their own carbon. But if he's not a great Talmud Chacham, so why does he do his own thing? His psak is nothing compared to their psak. No, he was great. They were great. They're all great. And that's why he brings this thing. So if I wanted to say, so what's the case? The guys are they're in two different cities. So what's the pshat in two different cities? Because L'chayr is saying that if they're in the same city and the Bezin heard his psak and they didn't say anything, it's as if they're masking to it. It's their psak, not his psak. They didn't say anything. They didn't make a macha. They're in two different cities and two different halachas. They're not connected. Sanhedrin passing the chayil is mutter, and he passing, let's say, blood is mutter. The Gemara is going to describe. Does that have anything to do with the place? And even if they're in the same city, since they're passing in two different isurim, the Gemara is going to describe what exactly the two different isurim are, but it's considered that he did it by himself. He had nothing to do with the Bezin.
It's the same stuff.
Because Rabbi says that the makim is not goyim. No, we don't care about the makim. That's exactly what he's saying. He said, I don't care about the makim. They're global, specialists in international financial services. Anonymous. Anonymous in gratitude to rebellion and the wife for promoting up element of Avodah Zarah's mutter. Then of course he's on his own. Why? They come from two different sukim. One is Avodah Zarah, one is chaylev. And they bring different karbanos. What are the different karbanos? He brings a bull, and they bring a bull and a goat. But wait a minute, they bring a bull, and he brings a bull. So maybe it's the same. No, because they bring a goat, and he doesn't bring a goat, so it's very different. The Kolshkein, and certainly, and if you flip it around, before it was them chaylev, he Avodah Zarah. No, if he does Avodah Zarah and they do chaylev, it's the same Averis, but it's the opposite. He decided that Avodah Zarah is mutter, and they decided chaylev is the Sanhedrin said chaylev is mutter. The Chalukim are the same like Gamri. Now they completely have different karbanos because there's nothing similar. He brings a goat, just a goat, and they bring v'inu b'par, and just a bull. There's no connection. What if it's two types of chaylev? They said this is what the carbon shabbos. Listen, at the end of the day, chaylev is chaylev. You bring the same carbon. But at the end of the day, how do you know these two chaylevs from this pasuk right over here? It's a chaylev machasa es a kerev. It's a chaylev shel kerev. The purple and the red are two different halachas. It's two different psukim. Here the Drake Kroikos is coming from two parts of the pasuk. So they have different psukim. But at the end of the day, it's the same thing. It's chaylev. And if you say that's not considered passing different than the Bezdin, the same concept. Chaylev is chaylev. Who bechaylev aim bedam mau? What if Bezdin said blood is mutter and he said chaylev is mutter? Now I want to show you this video. Tell me what's wrong with this video. They said blood is mutter. You have to look closely. There's a good hefter there. Blood drink. Look, it says Kohen Gadol in the hefter. Kohen Gadol. Now what's wrong?
This is going places.
What's wrong? Tell you what's wrong. What? He did make a bracha before in his coke. You don't know. You have to be down with Tafskus. Says Rashi, I'll tell you what. Rashi says very beautiful. You can't pass it that there's no Isser down. You let it drink out of canned blood. That means you're like a Dam Torah. So what is it? It's in the meat. It's Muvla Beivarim. It's Muvla Beivarim, meaning that the Tzdukim don't agree with this. The Tzdukim say that blood that's in the Ivarim is mutter. That's a typical case of Paralam Dover. Not that I told the artist to do that. He did it. And I was like, wait, it's against halacha. It's against the Gemara. It's against simple pshat in the Gemara. So, okay, so we made it into a question and answer thing. But don't get confused. Don't say, oh, I remember that thing. That's what Dam Mutter means. Yes. Okay, at the end of the day, it's two different psukim. Or they have the same exact carbon, so maybe it's not a different psak in the Bezin table. Next, let's just get to the Mishnah at least. Bezin's only chayiv when it's a little bit. Yeah, so we already had this another sugim and all that. How do you know that you can't uproot an entire mitzvah like this dam say the dam is mutter? Like we learned in the first paragraph. It's only part of the mitzvah, not the akira of the whole avera, the whole mitzvah. The Kohen Gadol doesn't bring a par unless he wanted to uproot part of the mitzvah. How do I know the same thing applies to the Kohen Gadol? The Sivla Ashra we learned so before that the Kohen Gadol is similar to the nation. Avodah Zarah is different than all other averos. Why? Because Avodah Zarah, what kind of carbon do you bring when you do Avodah Zarah? Par and a sire. So maybe Avodah Zarah is different. That even if the Sanhedrin says that you let it do Avodah Zarah today, they were arguing the whole mitzvah. Maybe they should still bring a carbon. No. So there's also a halacha that we learned before, a limud that we learned before. Never come we learned about Avodah Zarah, the word me'ein. It's like Zereshava. And by Parallel David says me'ein. Bezdin, two things. First of all, talking about the Sanhedrin. It's not a full akiras mitzvah. There's no akiras mitzvah. Brookside, have a wonderful day.
Okay, nice. All right. Jetzt hat man schon bei Day 7, du. Bei September 16, kickt schon aus mit Zahn done, du. Which is great. Okay. So thank you, Penny. Thank you, Sally, for sponsoring the handige daf. I really do appreciate you. And it's interesting. I never thought I will be a part of it, you know. And slowly but surely, we're getting there. We are definitely getting there. Oh nein, ich fahre mal gar nicht zu dem. Ich habe gesehen, das Video hat schon 20,000 views one day ago. Shaiva Tehida. It's Israeli, so let's go into it. Now you're a big part of it. Sally.
שבט יהודה בתוך הקופצה, האישה גריה בים. מקווים ישועתך אבות ובנים, העניים והאביונים.
Exactly, Sally. We never know.
שבט יהודה בתוך הקופצה, האישה גריה בים. מקווים ישועתך אבות ובנים, העניים והאביונים.
Khalib the low voice, but ich verstehe nicht kein Hebrew, also geht.
עמוד בפרץ, מניע לזכות, למדוני תעמוד מרחוק. שבתנו תעלה לשמי מרומים, מלך יושב על כיסא רחמים. אל מלך יושב על כיסא רחמים, ומתנהג בחסידות. מוכר עוונות עמו, מעביר ראשון ראשון. הרבה מחילה לחטאים, וסליחה לפושעים. עושה צדקות עם כל מסר ברוח, נוחר האדם להם גומר. אלוהים אותנו לומר מידות 13, זכור לנו היום ברית 13.
I don't know. I don't know Slichas by heart. Sie wissen, dass das ist für Slichas, you know.
זכור לנו היום
20,000 views, wow.
ויעבור אדוני על פניו ויקרא אדוני
It's Spanish, even? Yeah. Holiday Hitler, wie geht mit. Sound ja, Partisan ho, Bona Bia, Bella ciao, Bella ciao. Sie kaiver Ursa Machpeile des. Shine. Very nice. Schmilly Sickers. Oh, the nickname heißt Emmas. Okay. So how we come next. One day ago, 17,000 views. Nice. Let's get into it. Ich meine, es ist ein bisschen typical Zahn Song. Es ist nicht echt ein Music Video, so. Benzin Stein. Okay.
לא יסח פויץ במוי סמייס כי אם בשובוי מדרכוי וחויו ועד יוי מוי סוי
Khalib Day, the lighting with the Werther, sehr schön.
תחק אלוהי אם ישוב מיד תקבלוי
the black and white is sehr nur wie sagt man das? Sie matcht daran den Nigen. Meine Video ist gemacht mit AI. So hat das auch Resemblance auf seinen anderen Neginam. Let's give him a like. Reden dich von Like, du bist auf der Video. Gib hit the like button. He goes along in a freaking way. Nicht kein schlechter Song. Nicht ein schlechter Song. Es ist noch ein Song, wo man sitzt in der Car und man fährt auf der Highway allein und es regnet ein bisschen. Aber nicht der dangerous Regen, you know, der calm Regen. Was man kein Gehörig sehen, und du kann Mist. Und man just hört aus den Neginam. De Matties Time Story will ich hören ein Tag die Woche. It's off that list? Nice. Shimon HaMelech, Shmili Garman, Shemech Mo'olam. Weiß ich. 8 Tage, 2400 Views. Lassen wir das weiter? Ich liebe die Plain Guitar. Macht es viel. Matcht daran in the song.
לפונך בספילו.
Nice, Penny. Nice.
שמחו מיורוי לו מוי ואיר אל תשע שבוסינו תזין בעומדנו לפונך בספילו. תבואי ותבואי תבואי תבואי אל פשע לעם שובי פשע תמחה 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 שואינו מנגד עיניך. תבואי 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 אל פשע לעם שובי פשע תמחה 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 שואינו מנגד עיניך.
Cooked salmon, I would say.
שבוסינו ססין ועומדנו לפונך בספילו.
Sally Duff manager. Good one. Oh, yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Die Rest von dem alles gibt's? Sie steht mal nur, man gemacht für Chayas. Ich hoffe, das ist am 20 Uhr. Ich habe decided aufzuhängen. Ah, ja, ja, ja. Da-da. Family B. I should show it to you guys. Doch, ze roept naar me van de wand. Hij roept naar me van de wand. looks from Haider 2021. Yeah, 2001. All right. There you go. You see what I'm saying? Ich weiß nicht schon wie ich habe es, to be quite honest. I don't even know myself. Like wie ich das verschafft. Und irgendwie hat man es verschafft. Irgendwie ist es reingekommen in der Repertoire. Bin ich hoffe, als it's nicht modern art. It's like 20 years ago. So hold on, let me eens wazen think. In a bessere light, hold on. So, alright, there you go. So this, is A, this is I guess a bunny rabbit. V, 2 Tannenbeimer. I, elephant. A dolphin. A D, I'm guessing it's a whale. A peacock. And now this. How you doing? Hello and welcome. Sally, enjoy your day. Yes, I use an Apple laptop. This is a physical background. This is nicht so a background. This is a physical MS background. This. Viggy, yes. Dus is mijn noemen. But me rief mich Viggy. So. Soon up and changing the legal nomen to Viggy.
Jostins beschaffen, Pussins glisten in Daffen, de Seider Habrie is dat. De Teure is dan Wille, as in Sollen.
Can't wait to see the YouTube Black. Alles gets. Hope so, but you know. Ich weiß the chances. Wo ist mein Tariag Eizes?
Na voide in dan brie is nicht grie.
Was denn ich du genig Yiddish was reden?
Kenn ich allein, trug mich auf dan Pleitze. Shamru nafshi, wie du mit am Melech, ich seh. Wie achai, liavu lehiru, beide. In seinen du fahre dir in jeder von sich hat seine Kaide. In sehr in its da kopuin ya tu be ya tu ya tu be ya tu vi uvin kol yetzi ya tu yetzatoi ya tu yetzatoi.
Ich habe lieb gehabt die Transition. Ich habe schon lieb gehabt den echten, weil ich habe es gewatscht. No. Ich bin noch nicht gewähnt zu was. Wenn ich gelernt habe, it's rule, I never went to was for Shabbos. Only was there like for a talk, zwei of shit. Shmulik is about Twilla.
Yuvin kol yetzi Ki atu yetzartoi Ki atu yetzartoi Oy v'yoy ma kol Hashem Nishumu be'apo Hashem Eloika Yisru Ayumeilech Imalchiso Bakoil Mushuru V'yoymar Kol Hashem Nishumu be'apoi
Ein Second, lass mal sehen, wo das ist. Penny, das ist für dich.
סעלת לנו מאוד ביוקר ההתרגשות כולה אצל רבנו רואים פה ישועות
יואל לראות קיבי יינגר נחדו
ביקשנו והתפללנו בציון רקדנו רבנו הגדול האור שלנו זיכה אותנו תיאר אותנו ממחשבות רעות הציל אותנו מקווה טבלנו תיקון אמרנו בלילה לא נרדם, רושם עליך, רוצה אליך, קרוב אליך, קולי רק מתרגש, לטוס אליך, בשמחה אליך, רבנו הגדול הבטיח לנו, הבטיח לנו, הבטיח לנו תיקון הכללי שם כולם אמרנו והתפללנו לך רבנו אסור להתייאש אמרת לנו, אמרת לנו אתה רבנו האש שלי תוקד עד המשיח נראה כולנו שהאור יגיע יאללה רבנו
Wo steht er dort? Ist er Rebbe dort?
שעות אליך רבנו באתי שעות אליך המון עברתי
They sound sehr AI.
זכנו נעננו אתה רבנו עד שהגענו לאור היינו כולם רקדנו אומן אומן עוד השנה
Die sind das Swardische da.
ולילה לילה קורא אליך זועק אליך ולילה לילה קורא אליך קרוב אליך
Trat sie sich und du der andere Oman. Nein. Maar wij gaan vinden. Landing met de Oman one. Wie is es? Wie is es? Days of Love. Zevi, 3 days ago. 8,700 views.
They who sow in broken tears shall reap It'll be hard in the dust, but I won't get up, and sometime I know I may scream and shout out loud. Done with this, I'm getting out. So maybe I'm crazy, I'm gonna figure it out.
Gotta figure out.
Cause I'm stuck in the mud, and I'm really trying to get out of this.
Stuck in mud.
Lord, give me a chance on it. Oh, my life, I could try to grow. There'll be days of love, there'll be days of fun, there'll be days of riding through the dark. There'll be days of love, there'll be days of fun, there'll be days of riding through the dark. I got my building blocks tumbling down. I need you, I feel you, I'm gonna make you so proud. Ooh, cause I'm stuck in the mud, and I'm really trying to get out of this. Lord, give me a chance on it. All my life I've been trying to grow. There'll be days of love, there'll be days of fun, there'll be days of riding through the dark. There'll be days of love, there'll be days of fun, there'll be days of riding through the dark.
Feel good music.
Broken tears, there'll be days of love. Those with no song or cheer, there'll be days of fun. For those who are stuck in the dust, and maybe got no one to trust. There'll be days of riding through the dark.
But the keyboard is angeplukt. Damn it. Ze neemt erbij kapot points. Zij get feel music. Wie is de Oman songs? Lass mal geben, mal sicher auf Oman songs ist noch Dudu. Weißt du, man sieht, es kommt gar nicht herauf. It's usually how these things work. No, nee. Dat is ook voor de Elgo als ik zie man. Do. Parabara, Oman, Oman, Rosh Hashanah. Ze maar ending met deze song. Deze penny, deze voor jou. Ze maar ending met een penny. טוב חוזקנו שזכינו לקרב לרבנו
אשרינו מה טוב חלקנו
שזכינו לקרב לרבנו פרה 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 יומן ומן ראש השנה Nope, Shia. Nope. As of now, no. Yuman uman Rosh Hashanah, Yuman uman Rosh Hashanah. אשרינו, טוב חלקנו, שזכינו לקרב לרבנו.
אשרינו מה טוב חלקנו שזכינו לקרב לרבנו.
Yuman uman Rosh Hashanah, Yuman uman Rosh Hashanah, Yuman uman Rosh Hashanah. Yuman uman Rosh Hashanah, Yuman uman Rosh Hashanah. Penny, this is Fadir. Special Fadir.
אהופת ציונה קדוש ומענה
אהופת ציונה קדוש ומענה לילה Should I be in English, Yankee TV, because I'm not following. Atanu Mikolo Amin Atanu Velatitabanu Mermatanu Mikol Hashonot Atanu Velatitabanu Mermatanu Mikol Hashonot Ekeraftanu Bemitzvotecha Ekeraftanu Malkeinu Me viel te schon in de airport, me viel te schon in de week. No, agoda, lagoda, le Jakob, doshe, leini korose. Ro, agoda, leini korose. Katanu, Mikolo Amir Aftatanu Vedatsitabanu Verumantanu Mikol Ashonot Atanu Vedatsitabanu Verumantanu Mikol Ashonot Kedishtanu Bemitzvasecho Verabetete Vegedatanu Malkeinu Simcha Friedman, lost for dir. Who cares? Penny, who cares? Jetzt bist du auf das Symbol. Who cares what others, huh? Here is my boy, Shurim. From Simcha Friedman song. Sing. Leave him with a mitzvah. Okay. Very no yogeli, Chaim Sadike. Very no yogeli, very no yogeli, Chaim Sadike. Here is my boy, Shurim. Shurim yavnoze, vachsidim very no yogeli, vachsidim very no. Very no yogeli, vachsidim very no. אשרינו, שיש לנו רבי כזה. יש לנו רבי כזה. פיני, fang und tanzen. Of course, yeah. נרבי כזה. אשרינו, שיש לנו רבי כזה. קוראים לו נחמן, קוראים לו נחמן, מאומן. מאומן. Rambam barira baro barira pa para bebira bim 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 para bim 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 na man Corinona Corinona Okay, there you go. The oil was for to Oman, the oil was for to any other place. Hope you guys enjoyed that. Alright, so ich komme der Zeit, man darf sich segnen und man darf sagen goodbye. Se kein easy no matter how many times I have tried. But we gotta say goodbye. We have to say goodbye. Ich will gehen, was ich für jeden, was du gewinnt für eine lange Zeit. You know? Für die ganze Zeit. Ich will das auf eine andere Tab. Ich mache mir YouTube eine Tab, aber ich meine dir. Really do appreciate it. Ich will gehen, was ich für alle Likers, Sharers, Commenters, Subscribers and Members. Waren Sana so cool. And pressing the button, you know. And wir nicht machen auskicken wie ein Fool. That is that. Ich will geben mal special thanks für Sally. Und für Pinny G. Für wieso heißt es denn? Für sponsoring the huntige episode, which was amazing. So I really would like to say thank you. Thank you. What else? Oh, housekeeping. To my hand got unboxing. So thank you again. Sally had geschickt the book. I really do appreciate it. I will step schicken for the next unboxing. It is on next week, Monday, 10:01 in the free. So ich habe gepinnt the address. And auch at Handnacht is Monday, so 8 o'clock Handnacht live. Ich will es richten zu 7 sagen, but I'm not sure if I'm going to do it today or some other day. But I do wanna move it to 7 o'clock. I feel like it's about that time, to move it. Because of timing. Es wird zu spät bei Nacht. Until I wind down, dann gehe ich schlafen spät. All right, this is done with housekeeping. Thank you all for being here. I really do appreciate you all. You should know. I was very grateful as in doing and hitting the like button and all that good jazz. I really do like it. And I appreciate it. And ich bin dankbar. So until next time, stay kind to one another. Peace.